In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a ChatGPT conversation on your PC in a quick and easy way. Whether it's for personal reference or sharing with others, printing a conversation can be surprisingly simple. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred internet browser and head over to Google. You'll want to type in ChatGPT into the search bar to find the official ChatGPT website. Searching directly on Google helps ensure you're accessing the correct site, especially if you're not using a direct bookmark or link. Once you see the ChatGPT site in the search results, click on it to open the main page. Upon landing on the ChatGPT page, you'll need to locate the specific conversation you wish to print. Normally, you'll find a list of your recent chats, so go ahead and click the conversation that you intend to print. If you have many conversations, you might need to scroll or use search functionalities, depending on your browser, and there might be timestamps that can help you identify the correct one faster. Once the conversation you'd like to print is open on your screen, the next step is to highlight the text you wish to print. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the section of the conversation. If you want to print the entire conversation, make sure to highlight from the start to the end. On some PCs, particularly when dealing with long conversations, scrolling while highlighting may take a few tries to get it right. After you've successfully highlighted the desired text, right-click with your mouse on the highlighted area. A menu will appear, and you need to look for the print option. If you're using a Mac, the right-click function might involve holding down the Control key while clicking. Selecting Print brings up the printing dialog, allowing you to configure your printer settings. In the Printing Dialog tab, you can choose various options such as the printer you intend to use, the number of copies, and more importantly, check the preview to ensure all text appears as expected. When you are satisfied with the settings, go ahead and click Print. Your conversation should now be on its way to becoming a physical document. That's it. You've successfully printed your ChatGPT conversation. This process might seem a bit lengthy at first, but once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. It's a handy skill to have, whether for archiving important chats or sharing discussions with someone who may not have access to digital copies. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.